What's up guys, I'm Icarus. Today we're finally taking a look at the build that you guys voted for, this epic military airship that I designed. This build was partially inspired by the new Guardians of the Galaxy Benatar set, partially inspired by Star Wars design, and just a little bit of possible future military visuals. Starting up here at the cockpit, we've got some really cool angular designs to round it off, and the cockpit fits two pilots. I'm thinking one would be a gunner and one would be a pilot, because as you can see we have two guns on either side of the cockpit and extremely high visibility for both pilots, as well as room for both of their controls. The wings look super powerful. We've got a few extra winglets on the edges and just some nice black designs inlaid in that shape. As you can see, on each wing are two rotors that, combined with the back two engines, provide the thrust and the power to keep this thing in the air. These rotors are actually linked up with a mechanism on the inside that was super complex to figure out, but when you rotate the dial on the center of the ship, all four rotors rotate, just controlled by that central dial. The main bay of the ship is quite large. It's got a couple windows on each side for soldiers being transported. The rear has a couple more fins, as well as the large engines, two more guns, and a rear bay that folds down. On the interior, we have a section that slides out, which can hold 4 soldiers or plenty of cargo. It also has a few more controls in there. And I think that's about everything I have to say about this awesome ship. I hope you guys liked it. The design is just one of my favorites I've ever made. Starships and jets and airships like this are some of the first things I ever built as a MOC designer, and they've really come a long way since then. If you enjoyed the rotating rotors or just any of the ship design in general, please give this video a like, and if you're excited to see any of the other cool builds that are coming in the future, consider subscribing. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.